Well, here's my race car. Just gonna take shit apart and see what happens. And you'll be here to witness this shit that happens. She is on there. Oh, dumbass.
Fucking so fucking wrong, the dumbest.
Oh, that makes it a little easier. There we go. Damn. Cool. Here's the valve cover. But now we're going to be moving underneath here to take off the oil pan. There's a hole right there, and we're gonna see if we can take this thing off. We get some stuff from the garage real quick. Put that there. All right. Where did my little pan go? It fell all the way back there. Reach. Let's see what happens. Oh god, we got caught on the wheel. Need an extension. So, this block is already toast, so I don't have to worry about being careful with taking out the oil pan. So I'm just gonna bang out the pan and see what happens. It's always fun when you're working on a car and you have to pull out the hammer. We'll just oh, there she comes. She's like there's something else holding it on. Oh, there's another bolt right here. And she comes down. Aha! Here we go. And oh boy, doesn't look that pretty. So we have engine bits in the oil pan. Yep, as I thought, the fourth. This is the connecting rod, or what's left of it. It's just kind of there now. Isn't that cool? So the piston is still up top, and this is supposed to connect to. This is supposed to connect to the top of the piston, and as you can see, it's not doing that. Now I can focus on removing the head. Come on out. There you are. Cover off. They say if you have a big enough pole, you can lift up the earth with leverage. So, get yourself a pole. Get that bitch on there. There you go. Oh, there's some wiring attached to this stuff. There we go. Alright, here we go again. Part 2. And lift. There we go. This is the first time I ever took off a head. But as you can see, this piston has water in it, so that may have maybe not helped with it failing. I think I have a ratchet to attach to the end of that crank, and then we can watch the pistons go. Let's try that real quick. Move this. Oh. You can see all the pistons move, except for that one. And move down the other way. And it gets stuck there. I wonder if I can take off the connecting rod. Oop. It's not ideal for working, honestly. There we go. There we go. There we go. And I hit my phone. That is one. What is left of the connecting rod?
Yoink.
There we go. Oh, would you look at that? Now I can put that on my desk. Basically as far as I'll go with this. Thank you all for joining, and thank you all for the advice.